Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Today we are going to be talking about the temperature sensor. There is a temp sensor header on the shield for the Arduino, and you just have to go and find one of the temp sensors to use. Anyways, the temp sensor, there should be a tab on the dome, and you need to make sure that tab is going to the left, so between pins 1 and 4, to make sure that it is oriented correctly. There's also a picture of that in the document tutorial. Anyways, so today we are going to go over getting the library for this, some simple code for it, and then we will watch the serial monitor to make sure that it is working. So to start, let's go to Sketch, Include Library, Manage Libraries, and then we're going to search for MLX. It should be the second one, so it should be the Adafruit MLX 90614 library by Adafruit, and it's pretty simple to install. You click on it, and then there should be an install button, probably about right here or right here. Either way, it takes a couple seconds, and that is done. So let's go through the code now. We have an include statement, so just including the library that we just downloaded, and then here is where we declare the object that we can call to for the functions of the library. Next, I just define a simple variable t as a double, and that is going to represent the temperature that the sensor is going to read back. So onto the setup loop, it's serial.begin, so that initializes the serial communication and then also defines what speed we're going to be sending the data at. And then after that we have wire.begin, and that allows for the I2C communication with the sensor itself. So onto void loop, we have t is equal to temp sensor.read object temp f, and this is one of the functions that you can call as part of the library. So this is just going to read the infrared temperature and then relay it back in Fahrenheit. And then finally we are going to print it to the serial monitor and delay it for 100 milliseconds. So we should be getting a reading 10 times per second. So that's the code, pretty basic. Let's try uploading it and see what we get. Alright, so the code finished uploading, and so now it's running on the Arduino, and we just need to check and see if we can actually see the temperature readings that we are trying to find. So we're going to go to Serial Monitor, and there is our temperature reading. So as you can see, it's about 73 degrees. Where I'm at right now, I'll cover with my hand, and we can see that it goes up, and I'll let my hand off it, and we can see that it goes down. So we confirm that it is working correctly. And one error that you may run into if you're not seeing anything on your serial monitor, verify that the baud rate, so what you define right here as part of the program, this 115200, that's the speed of communication, and you won't be able to see accurate values unless you match it with your serial monitor. So if you notice, here's the common baud rates, and I chose 115200, and that's the temperature readings we got back. So hopefully this tutorial was of some help, and I will see you in the next tutorial.